New ChatGPT prompt for you. We've got lots of support and an entire service to help you build out your quiz. But we have not shared this AI prompt yet, which is to help you write an email sequence for each of your unique quiz results. HubSpot says email marketing is the bridge that connects businesses to customers. It's not just about selling, it's about building relationships, understanding customer needs, and delivering value. So now that you have your Interact quiz, let's build that bridge to connect what you know about your new subscriber with how you can support them. Of course, you can use this ChatGPT prompt to create one email that would go to all of your quiz takers, but with the ease and the speed of AI, I would highly encourage you to create one email for each of your quiz results. Because remember, that bridge, that connection that you're building for somebody who is a complete beginner is going to be completely different than the bridge that's needed for somebody who's an expert or more advanced when it comes to the topics that you talk about. Let's talk brides. A bride who's looking to have a classic and elegant theme at their wedding is not going to connect to the brand who's advertising wildflowers or sunflowers. But the bride who's a bohemian chic vibe would absolutely connect with that brand and all of the unique botanical elements that you might be able to help that person incorporate in their wedding decor. So you can see in this case, one email would not work. A classic and elegant email needs to be sent to the classic and elegant bride, and a bohemian chic email needs to be sent to the bohemian chic bride. So let's go ahead and create those emails using this ChatGPT prompt. So here's the prompt in ChatGPT. We're asking ChatGPT to write one unique welcome email for each quiz outcome. We're telling AI that we want to excite the quiz taker about their result, and we're also instructing it with the tone that we want to use. Now, little pro tip here, if you've written your own quiz using AI, this is the perfect prompt to add into that same series. You don't have to repeat what you want the tone to be because it's already been writing your quiz in your tone the entire time. And then we tell AI, without being forceful or pushy or salesy, feel free to change out those terms if you would like. We want to invite this person to reply to set up a free consultation. I also want to include in this email that bookings are filling up quickly to create a little sense of urgency behind this email, hoping that we'll get more replies this way. Of course, you can replace the free consultation call with whatever call to action you want your quiz taker to do next. And remember, the call to action does not have to be the same for each of the quiz results somebody could get. Because you're sending different emails based on the different quiz results that you have, you can give really customized call to actions based on what this person should do next that would support them the most. And that's the value that you're bringing to somebody with a quiz. You took the time to give them the quiz so you can learn more about them. Now use that information to give them the most helpful information, resources, value offerings that you can based on what you know about them. I promise you that is going to go a long way in building this bridge and your connection with this new lead. On to the fun part, reading the emails that AI created for us. So here in the first example is for the bride who has that classic elegance result. And right away in the email, we're reminding this bride what that means, why we think they're classic elegance, why that's such an amazing thing that they should really be proud of. Giving that positive reinforcement really goes a long way in building the connection with your lead because they truly understand that you get them. You understand the vision that they have for their wedding, and they're going to be that much more likely to continue shopping with you or at least looking at your website and your flower offerings because they really match what they're looking for. Let's take a look at this example for simplifying your wedding with the flower cart. This person or this bride is a modern minimalist, and their preference for clean lines and understated beauty really is going to make their special day stand out. A very different message, but again, really encouraging to the bride who is looking to have this modern minimalist wedding. And same thing here for the bohemian chic bride. Their free spirited, their creative nature is going to make their day vibrant and unique. And you can see too in these emails, we're talking about very specific flowers. So, like I was saying earlier, the bohemian chic result is going to talk up wildflowers, succulents, unique botanical elements, where the modern minimalist bride is looking for a monochromatic color scheme. And the classic elegant bride is looking for maybe roses or lilies or orchids, something in romantic or soft hues. You can even, I'm sure, imagine how you can design these emails to really have the look and feel that these brides are looking for, including pictures of specific flowers, including those flowers at weddings, right? So show them what a classic and elegant wedding looks like that you've done before. For the bohemian chic bride or the modern minimalist, show them what those types of weddings look like so they really understand the service that you can provide and they can really see you at their wedding, right? They really are excited to purchase these flowers from you because you get them. You've taken the time without even meeting them, maybe if they've just gotten through your quiz, you've taken the time to really hear them out, understand what it is that they need, and send a very customized email back to them saying, all of the great things that you now know about them and exactly what they need to do to help them. In this case, book a consultation call. For all my perfectionists out there, remember that this is the beauty of quizzes and of digital marketing. Nothing is set in stone. You're able to test this first version out, see how it goes, and optimize it over time. You're able to embellish the email. You're able to include follow-up emails. You're able to include if-then branches, right? Based on different actions people take when they're receiving these emails from you. The possibilities are endless, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Done is better than perfect, and you're not going to know how your quiz or your emails are performing if you can't get them out there. So, start with one simple but unique email for each of your quiz results. Pop them into your CRM and track your favorite email marketing stats as you monitor your quiz funnel. For access to all of the ChatGPT prompts the team at Interact has been creating, building, testing, and using, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.